So we start off today's video with this very simple DIY. So they bought this artwork piece from Target and they're simply just spray painting it black. Love the simplicity of this one. I love the way that this looks, the whole aesthetic and vibe. Very nice. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So here we have someone who grabbed these laundry storage signs from the dollar store. So these do feature some hooks. They ended up gluing them together. Add in the jumbo popsicle sticks for support. Oh, okay, that's a simple one. So they are actually using it in their laundry room. Very nice. I just love how, like with the dollar store, you can find items and just completely turn them into something different or better to just kind of work for your lifestyle. So here we have someone doing a scrunchie holder out of one of those paper towel holders. Very cool. They just spray painted that. Nice simple project idea. Now it looks like someone has some type of sea glass or something here. If that's not what it is, then I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna go with sea glass. That seems right. Oh wow, wow. Absolutely gorgeous candle holders. It kind of has like an antique vibe and feel to it. Very nice. All right, so then we have a mirror here. This actually looks like another dollar store craft. So yeah, they got the Dollar Tree rhinestones, the gems. Okay, I think they're making a mirror tray here. Adding the rhinestones for glitz and glam. Yeah, and I think they're using the pearls as like a little stand. That is so cute. I like that floral mirror vase that they have too. That's really pretty. Alright, so we got a furniture flip here. Ooh, that chair looks like it is been through some things. Okay, so she sanded it down. Wow. Spray painted it black. Wow, this looks like a whole new chair. That is crazy to me. I would have saw this and been like, that's junk, and threw that chair out. But you know what they say, one man's trash is another man's treasure. Okay, so someone is making a fire pit with this next one. Pay close attention to this. I mean, it is summer, so making your own fire pit is so cool. Such a fun idea. Very nice. I love the visual. So pretty. All right, so we got some pool noodles here. Oh, it looks like they're doing a kid's bath. Lots of colorful pool noodles grouped together. Yeah, that looks like a lot of fun. It almost kind of looks like a ball pit. That is so cool. That would make bath time like super fun. Chanel tray decor. So once again, we have the hack for turning a photo frame into a table tray. And you're just basically using that Chanel printout. You can get that on the web. Oh, that's cute. Kind of looks like one of those like Chanel books that people decorate with, but it's a tray. It's a table tray. Butterfly canvas. Can you show the butterfly one? That looks amazing. Wow, that does look amazing. I love the colors. So pretty. And adding some gold. That's beautiful. Because you like Chanel decor or decorations. So they're basically doing a Chanel painting. Wow, they got the flowers and everything. This is so cute with a perfume bottle. Oh, I love this. Most of the time you go to the store, these like little like designer paintings can be like $15. They can be like $20. So making your own will probably definitely save you a lot of money. Very nice. Wow, that came out amazing. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these DIYs with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.